What's up, guys? My name is Jeff from Top Tier Details, and today we had an interior detail. I'm going to show you the process of everything: the under seats, the top of the seats, the back of the passenger seats, the driver seats. We did each door panel. We rejuvenate every panel with black rejuvenator to bring that black back out. All the cracks and crevices was all dusty and everything. The middle console was dirty. Entertainment center was all fingerprinted up. As you guys can tell, this detail was really, really good. Really good. All right, guys, this vehicle that you guys see here is actually a Honda Ridgeline, and it came in rough, as you guys can tell in the beginning. But you can see it's already transforming. The interior is going to dirty to damn near perfect. And that's what I love about detailing, to be honest. Every little step matters. And that's what sets us here at Top Tier Details apart. From regular car wash, you just can't get that kind of finish. By the way, if you guys want to keep up with my work or book a detail with me, check the link down below. I've got all my socials and my info there. The inside is looking top tier, but as you're gonna tell in a few, there's gonna be a little bit of body work that needs to be done. So I'll be doing another video on this Honda Ridgeline buff and polish, so stay tuned for that. Shout out my boy Dave from Autosomnia. He also does not only auto body shop work, he does bolt-on accessories such as GPS tracking, music, stereos. His shop is at New Rochelle. He does surrounding areas. I'm also in Yonkers with surrounding areas as well. We come to you, you come to us. You can hit up Dave from Autosomnia. Link all his stuff in the description below. And hit us up, man. We're ready to do your car and your friend's car. Let's go.